Hey everybody, welcome back to DeLorean Tech, and today we're going to do a review and unboxing video of the new Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine radio control vehicle from Jada. Alright, so here it is. So we were able to pick up a couple of these from Target last night. It was not easy. I went to various Targets, they were completely sold out. I got lucky and found two. I'm going to keep one for myself, and I got one for a good friend of mine. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the box real quick here. So this is pretty cool. It was only about $30. If you're lucky, you can get this on sale for about $25. It has a USB recharge on it. It comes with a full remote with an 88-mile-an-hour screen right there. Now this does actually light up, so if you press down on the, there we go. So that looks pretty cool. So it also comes with the lightning rod attachment. You can kind of see that back there. So if you saw my YouTube short, you'll kind of see exactly what I had to go through to get this. It was pretty difficult. And open this thing up and get it going. Comes with a bunch of instructions here. Take a look at that. So we'll go through the instructions. So right off the bat, you'll notice the car has a pretty significant rake to it. I mean, these tires in the front are pretty low, so that looks pretty interesting there. I know the original DeLorean Time Machine from Back to the Future kind of had that look, so that's probably what they were going for. Although I think this looks a little kind of aggressive there. If you look at the way it looked on the box, you don't really see it so much because it's actually suspended here by these tabs underneath. But you can tell that it's got that rake to it. So, looks pretty cool. I think overall it did a pretty good job. This is just plastic here. So it does light up again. There you go. Blue LEDs. It's pretty basic. It's nothing fancy as far as the actual model itself goes. You have all your Back to the Future time circuitry here. We'll go ahead and get that lightning rod attachment out and see how that looks. So here's your lightning rod attachment. Just go ahead and push that out. So your lightning rod attachment just pops in like this. There you go. Now that's not the antenna. So I know it looks like it, but it isn't. So there's the completed model. We're going to go ahead and get the remote out. All right, so here's a close-up of the remote. It is very tiny. So, and it's a pretty basic remote. You got your forward and reverse, right and left, and here's where you put the battery. So just pop off the cover. Oh, it's already got batteries in there. Cool. So we're good to go here. It's kind of what I figured when I saw this little battery tab right there. Just wanted to make sure though. So the batteries are already in there. Let's go ahead and secure that back up again. All right, so charging up the vehicle, we'll go ahead and release the little door right here, and then you pull out your USB charging cable. Plug the USB cable into a USB charge port here. Once you do that, you'll notice that that light will turn on and it'll start flashing. Now, if you turn this on without plugging it in, we can just unplug it here to show you, the light starts to flash slower. So once you plug it in and it starts flashing faster, that means it's charging. Okay, so in order to pair the vehicle with the remote, what you do is you turn the vehicle on. This flashing LED right here will indicate that it is ready to pair, and within 15 seconds, press any button on the remote. So I'm going to go ahead and press the time boost button right here on top. So now you're paired. The LEDs have stopped blinking. Now you're ready to try this thing out. We'll do some quick demos here, and then we'll show you what this thing actually looks like on the road. So obviously forward, back, left and right. Time boost button. That actually, that's actually kind of cool. So once you hit the time boost button, it lights up and it goes a lot faster. So there's the effect right there. This doesn't actually light up though, the 88. I thought it did, but unfortunately it's just basically a sticker right there. So it still looks pretty cool. So just for kicks, I brought out the original Back to the Future DeLorean radio control vehicle here from 1989. This is from JRL Radio Control, and you can kind of see the size difference here. This is a 1/16 scale. I believe this is like a 118 or a 120, something like that. I really don't know. It doesn't actually say here on the box, but I thought that'd be kind of cool as a comparison, so you can kind of get an idea of what the size difference is. So here we go. So it seems pretty easy to control, left and right. Now for the time boost, the way that works is, so what you do is you press forward on the remote, and then you also press the time boost button. So let's try that. Just back it up a little bit. So pressing forward and then time boost button. And it does go a bit faster. That's kind of cool. Alright everybody, so that's our quick review and unboxing video of the new radio controlled DeLorean time machine from Jada Toys. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the model, and if you've been able to score one before the holiday season. I know it's kind of sold out everywhere, but I'm pretty sure that these will be available for purchase pretty easily come January 2024. These were actually supposed to be released in the spring of 2024, but for whatever reason, Target got a hold of these pretty quick, and they just kind of came and took everybody by surprise. It was announced at LA Comic-Con that they wouldn't be available until spring of 2024. Maybe it's a Target exclusive. I really don't know. All I know is that our buddies over there at Doc's Prop Shop were able to find one of these at Target. So that's when I started my search. So I got lucky. I was able to find a couple of them. Like I said, it wasn't easy. I went to various Targets, and for all I know right now, Target is the only place to get this. You know, you can try pre-ordering it on other sites, but you're likely looking at sometime in early 2024, possibly the spring before you get this. I really don't know. There's not a whole lot of information available out there. It's almost impossible to find this thing for order for immediate delivery. Even on Target.com, it's not there. But this was purchased at Target. Go ahead and take a look at my shorts video that shows my quest for this RC DeLorean time machine. I was very lucky. Last night I was able to find 2 of these things. Those are the first and only 2 I've seen so far. No one else I know besides Doc's Prop Shop has been able to find one of these. So there you go, guys. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And once again, thanks for watching.